Alright, welcome back. Figured I'd shoot a quick video. Finished hooking up this panel. Got it wired into the shed. Some little brackets there holding it on. I'm going to show you my off-grid shed. Check this out. I got it hooked up. Alright. Got my battery bank, which I already had fully charged, but I have it wired up to the solar panel. Hooked up the charge controller, power inverter. Made this little panel here. Got a little crude system hooked up here. Let me show you what happens when I flick the switch. We are totally off grid. Turn on the power inverter. Here we go. We got a light. So, this shed is officially off grid. Battery bank, that wire coming in from the solar panel, coming down into my charge controller, and load 2.2 batteries are 11 point, almost 12 volt. Charge 0 because there's no sun. Load 2.3 amp. Battery flickering between 11.9 and 12 volt. It's only a 400 watt power inverter. Don't figure I'm going to be able to run much. Did figure out, however, if I hook anything up to this power inverter that has a ground, any wire that has a 3-prong wire, it doesn't work. Only 2-prong wires will work. Maybe because I don't have ground hooked up anywhere to this. There's no ground. Nothing is grounded. I don't know how to ground anything. Everything in DC basically is 2 wires. So, I mean, even on this charge controller, there's no spot to put a ground. You know, there's only panel, battery, and load. So, why is it that if I hook a wire into a plug into this power inverter that has a ground wire, it shuts off? Basically, I can't even show you now, but if I plug anything into it that has a ground wire, the whole thing just kind of flickers. Let me know why. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. But this is working. I'm off grid. What else can I plug in here? I'm plug in this radio. Just about ready to anyway. Got this little radio here. See, I have this hooked up to the power inverter, so there we go. Got tunes, got light. I'm off grid. This wire here, you see this one here, this is coming from the house. This is the one I've been using to have light out here. There's nothing plugged into it. I'm off grid. I guess I did it. This was the project. Make the shed off grid. Hit the light, turn the light off, and got no light. Light on. Basically running off that battery power. Be interested to see what happens tomorrow when the sun comes out. And get to watch the batteries get charged back up. So, cool. Alright, thanks for watching. If you got any tips on why when I plug in a 3-prong wire, plug rather, into this power inverter, it doesn't work. Basically shuts itself off. Even if there's no load on it. If I just plug a 3-prong wire plug into it, the whole thing shuts down with no load. Alright. Thanks for watching. God bless.